Hello, my name is Lisa Belfrag and I'm a development engineer here with Saab. And my specialty is crash testing in the lab. 8 years ago, me and my father was in a car crash. We did a frontal impact. It was a car coming over to our side of the road, so it was around 70 kph. And that's why I wanted to do this, because I want to help people. We will have 2 cars on a wire that pulls them together in 60 kph. So when we in the impact we have 120 kph together, and we have all the dummies and everything, so we get a lot of data out of it and look so the car is behaving correct.
Well, Lisa, we've seen the crash.
Yeah.
You're now doing the analysis. What are you looking for?
At first I see the speed, how fast the car went, and then I'm looking through my checklist. I have a checklist on a lot of pages, and then I go through the car and see how the dummy impact with the airbags, and I see how the car's deformed, and just take a quick look over so everything is okay. And then after that we are getting the movies, the films, so the high-speed films, to see what really happened during the crash, because it goes pretty fast. And then we look at the dummy injury values that we get out of the data, and then that I will do later today and tomorrow and analyze them.
Just looking at it, the car seems to have come out of the impact extraordinarily well. You can open and close the doors, so presumably the passengers and the driver would have been pretty all right in a crash like this, despite the speed.
Yeah, it will, and that's what we see. We see the safety cage, that is where the dummy is, the compartment, and everything there should be not deformed, and that's what we see when we can open. The first test is that we can open the doors.
It's a great job to have, isn't it? You must be very proud of the work you do.
Yeah, it's really fun. It's real fun, and just to know that I'm helping people to drive safe car is the best. That's the thing.